Okay, you guys, this is Deborah, and I'm filming for Jana since she is supposed to be in bed for another 24 hours. Hi, Trey. You sure you don't mind us filming?
Not at all.
Okay. Well, this one's for Jana, and we're starting with Frugal RV Gal's AC unit. This is Trey Craft with Craft Heating and Air. And that way she can at least have once she's able to get up tomorrow, she can get up for a while and she can have a different place to come sit and have AC. Woohoo! We have been waiting for this day for a long time, Trey. Thank you so much. Go ahead and leave it in the corner. So, I don't know if you have to put it all the way to the corner or...
That'll be perfect.
Okay, good deal. I can move those plants for you so you don't have to walk around them. That's heavy, dude. Jana has some tomatoes growing. Little ones. We're saying grown up tomatoes. And then this is peppers that she's got growing. We're hoping they'll bloom and that the birds won't eat them all. Okay, Trey's out at his truck. Let's see, we've got the hole drilled. Woohoo! And the brace up for the inside unit. Let's go outside and see what he's done over here. Jana's neighbors are traveling right now. There it is. We got a hole. We got holage. Let's go see what Trey's up to now. Oh, looky there. We have a unit on the wall. Woohoo! Definitely getting there, Trey. Looks good. She's gonna love it when she can get up and come see it. Bando, come get out of the way. Oh my goodness, it's so nice and cool in here. Trey did such a beautiful job. Gonna shut Jana's window for her. Oh my gosh, it's blowing such wonderful cold air. And I know this will seem strange to Jana's viewers, but I'm gonna say to Jana, I'm so happy for you, and I can't wait for you to get to be able to come in here and see your new AC. Let's go outside and see what it looks like installed. This is so cool. Look at that. So nice and neat. Woohoo! Up off the ground and pretty. Very nice. Congratulations, Frugy.